Tad and the Crayon. Tad Plays Golf. Narrated by me, Nicholas Gabriel Gussman. One evening, after thinking over for some time, Tad decided to play golf. Tad drew a tee. Then Tad got ready to swing. Whack! The ball goes flying. Hits the bird, hits the tree, into the hole. Then Tad tried to make it a harder course. Whack! However, Tad didn't do a good swing. Splash! Into the fish's mouth. The ball did not taste good at all. Then suddenly, BOOP! The ball went flying into the hole. Then suddenly, Tad saw the moon. Tad was glad to be above ground, but he was sleepy and ready to go home. Tad climbed into his bed and drew up the covers. The purple crayon and Tad's hat dropped on the floor, and Tad dropped off to sleep.